Hello guys, it's your girl again, Lavimito, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I'm grateful and I appreciate your support. Okay, whenever you're watching the videos, guys, make sure you like, support your girl. Thank you. So today you're gonna be doing a video on how to style your natural African hair. Okay, so this is my hair, washed and blow dry. I'm gonna get into the video, guys. So first of all, I'm gonna be undoing my matuta. Don't mind about my matuta. I was in the house, so it's not even matuta. And then next, you're gonna comb it. Tell me what you think about my hair, guys. I usually love taking product because it looks so nice. How do you say it? Like the yeah, that is the one. The thickness and the length. That's why I love it. I love being in my natural hair most of the time. But at times, the texture is not that soft, so it's hard to maintain. Please ask guys, tell me what you think. This is the first style. I just put on afro, but it is not afro since my hair is long. It's simple. You can do it with some shades, and or you can do this and then tie. Yeah, I'll try that. I'll try doing that as well. Then I'll show you the results. So this is my first style. What do you think, guys? We're gonna try the next style. Okay, with this, when my hair is like straightened, it's hard to give it like different looks, but I'm gonna try. Let me see what else do we have here. We have this. This is what I use for my hair. It is actually a very cheap product, but I love natural things. It's like a coconut oil. This is what I use for my scalp. Some of the things that I use for I use to style my hair. There's one here. Where did it go? Let me. God got you. You got yourself. Simple. The simplest ways of styling your hair without. You see, I have this. I have this. And I have this. Nothing serious. Okay, but if you have other products, it's well and good. But for me, I don't usually complicate things. I love to be honest, true, and pocket friendly. You don't have to spend so much. But if you're in a position of spending, it's okay. But for me, I love when I'm like economize things. Okay, guys. So this is how my hair looks like. Let me just turn. This is how it looks like. What do you think, guys? The thickness, the length. I love it. So you can also style it this way, and you'll be good. You'll be good to go. Just simple with some shades, and then you're good to go. But so we're gonna try another style. Okay. The next style is my, yeah, it is. So first of all, I'm gonna do this. Oh shit. Uh-huh. No, let me try now. Try. So I I I hope you saw what I did. But you make sure you put it here so that you don't get shocked. Make sure you don't get shocked, guys. Kindly. So then we bring it up. This is usually easier when I've not done like I've not blowed my hair. So we have these days. What do you think? Style. Just do this and you are ready to go, guys. Tell me what you think. I think it's pretty nice. It's cool. I love it. Wow. I love this style. There's just a way. I love it actually. Most of my videos, when in my natural hair, I usually style my hair this way. Tell me what you think. For me, I think it's cute. It gives you like a certain look, simple but classic. But yeah, tell me what you think, guys. You can try out this style and tell me what your thought or take. So cool. Uh-huh. So nice. Gives you a baby look. I love this style, guys. Tell me your thought on this one. Okay, guys. Thank you. We're gonna try something else again. Okay, another thing. When you are with this style, you can actually use a head wrap. I don't know if that's the right term for it. How do you call it? Like kitamba. A small cloth or whatever, like a bandana. You can tie like the back side. You can like tie like the back side nicely, and that would have added like something to it depending on your style for the day. Yeah, you can tie with a piece of cloth like a bandana. You can tie your hair like, yes, that would be another look for it. And also, yeah, you can do so many things with your hair when you decide to. Okay. Aha. So should we try another style? But guys, please don't forget to comment. Just look at the thick. But it depends with your style, guys. For me, I love it. So we're gonna try another style, okay? So can also do this. You do this. You tell me which style fits me best, okay? Then you do this. And remember, since we started doing this video, I've not used like anything, no oil, nothing. It's a simple method. It is the simplest. If you don't have all those products, you can use your natural way. But if you have the products, good for you. Wow. My goodness. So we're going to be learning how to use this. This is a straight comb. As you can see, it's written here. It's a straight comb. I bought it some time back, but I've never used it. Yeah, actually, I was convinced that it's such a good product for the hair, especially when once you've done the blow dry and you don't want to keep going back to the salon, you can use this. It is easier to use. It works the same as the blow dry, but it's easier to use. Let me show you guys. So this is how it looks like, as you can see. So before using it, you have to connect it to a power point. Here, this is how you switch. This is where you switch it on and off. And then we have the plus and negative. The plus is you when you want to add like the power. Like if you want more power, you can add using the plus sign. If you want to reduce the power, you reduce it using the negative sign. So once you switched it on, you give it like a few minutes. I would say give it like a few minutes for it to. From what I saw, when it's heating up, it should have some steam, like smoke coming out. That is when you know it's ready to use. So at the moment, we don't have like steam, but we're gonna try it. Okay, gonna try and see how it will work. Wow, it is already eating up. Okay, it's hard to use when your hair is already combed. We won't be able to tell the difference at the moment, but I'll try and do another video with my with my hair when it is not blowed. Like I'll wash my hair and then I'll try doing it with my natural look when my hair is not combed. Guys, I love my hair. See the thickness? I love the thickness. So let's try this product, okay, guys? I saw a video on YouTube actually on how to use it, so I'm actually learning at the same time. But I see it's working. It's working. Can't I can. Let's try this. Oh, it's working. So again, let's try the back. I don't know if you can see the impact. Oh, it is more of a blow dry, but it's easier to use, as you can see. So you just do this. Okay. Uh-huh. Do you see the impact, guys?